This is my weekly shop and or grocery haul. I do this weekly or bi-weekly depending on my produce because I eat a lot of salads and fruit. I do my best to save money. I'm single. I'm just a regular person doing my best. So I wanted to show you what I got. And I'm not going to tell you the prices for everything, but this all came out to $55.15. And compared to other stores, I feel Winco sometimes, depending on what you get, it always comes out as a lower total amount as far as for my experience. So, shout out to Winco. It's pretty awesome. I shop at different places for different things, and I always try to do my best. I will share a few prices on some of the items because they were just that good. If you have a Winco in your area or near you, if you like sparkling water and stuff like that, this Polar seltzer water was $2.48. They're on a deal right now and or on sale. So $2.48 for any type of flavor that you like. This is my go-to because it's so pure and it's so good. LaCroix is $4.28 right now at Winco. You could get any one you like, any flavor, but I like just the regular plain. This is the pure, just sparkling water, no flavor added. My two meat options were for tonight, actually. I'm having a late dinner. I've been out and about taking care of things. So I have this 93% lean, 7% fat, fresh ground turkey. This was $4 and something. And then I'm going to just use half of this and then freeze the other half for a different meal because I'm single. It's just me here. So you could just, use the whole thing if you have to for a family. But this right here is a really good price. It's like $3 and something. This is Italian style pork sausage. Add half of this to half of this. Add some sauce to it. You got yourself some pasta. If you want to use both of them, the whole thing for both of these and just toss it in a pot and make more for more people, you're good to go. And you could use ground beef too. This is just a weekly or bi-weekly haul once again, or grocery shop. I have some Earthbound organic baby spinach. I usually get the big one, which is mixed, but I couldn't find the big one, so this is going to be good enough for me for now. I have me a Caesar salad kit. 1 cucumber. I'm going to use that in my salad tonight. These blackberries were 98 cents. I got 2 because I love my blackberries. I love my blueberries. This is actually a couple dollars cheaper at Winco, and this is the Berry Celsius. You could get whatever flavor you like. I actually really love the coconut one, but I've been getting the coconut one all the time, so I thought I'm going to switch it up this time. So you get 14 of them, and it's a really good price. It's like $9 and something. Other places is like $11 and something, maybe 14, depending on where you go. So I do get these because sometimes instead of coffee in the morning, I like to just have one of these in one of my LaCroix Pure drinks because the LaCroix Pure is plain sparkling water. And when it's really cold out of the fridge, I just add one of these in the morning sometimes, depending on what I want, like coffee or something else. I got for tonight, because I'm out, I have some whole grain spaghetti. 1 purple onion. I should have grabbed a couple. I don't know why I just got one. I think it's a habit at this point. So I have some oranges. Oranges are always a good price in the wintertime. So stock up on your citrus. It's good for you. Vitamin C, it does even better than that. I always pick this up at Winco. I can't find it anywhere else, and I'm so glad I discovered it. This is the Parmesan cheese powerful snack, and they're individual Parmesan cheese. It's hard cheese that you have to grate. So I feel this is really good for when you're making pasta. You could just use one. because once you shred it onto your pasta, this will be enough for at least like 3 to 4 people. So you have them pre-packaged or pre-sealed in their own little package. Honeycrisp organic apples. They're not that much more than a regular bag of apples. These organic ones, they do not have the wax on the apples, and they are delicious. And it's only like a couple cents more to get this instead of a bag of regular apples. So check them out. Try them out if you haven't already. I have a pineapple. Yes, I am a pineapple lover. I love pineapples. There's so many good benefits from eating them. I have 2 tomatoes. I'm not going to take them out. These are vine ripened tomatoes. I ran out of garlic, so I just grabbed this. It'll do me for now. And I have me some lemons. And I'm going to use these lemons for my dressing for my salad. Yeah. So I feel honestly with the prices these days, I did pretty good. Because I'm trying to eat a lot more produce like I always do. And I'm going to keep doing that because it's good for you. And I'm just doing my best. So yeah, this is what I got. And I'll see you in my next upload. This is the item that I wanted to share that I picked up at Walmart a couple weeks ago. You could get it at Winco, but I just happened to get it at Walmart. So it's available at almost all grocery stores. This is the Morningstar Farms buffalo chicken patties, and it's plant protein. This is made out of chickpeas. It's 9 grams protein, 30% less fat. If I want a chicken sandwich at home, this is what I'm using. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this because they're pretty good.